Hey friends, if you encounter slow file copy speed in Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now here's the thing, one bottleneck is the hardware configuration of your computer. If you cannot change it, then I will give you two or three suggestions. You can try them, but mostly it is about the hardware configuration itself. So update the USB drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Scroll down to Universal Serial Bus Controllers, expand it. Update the USB root hub drivers. Update the USB root hub drivers once again. The next one is to update Windows. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and update the drivers here. The last one is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and open Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.